Hi, it's me. And today, we are doing a mini obstacle course indoors. And first up, we're going to start with the balance beam. Now, I don't have a real balance beam, so I'm just going to use my couch. And this is kind of like a low balance beam. So we're going to walk across, trying not to fall off. You can do this with your kids. You can make it fun for them. You can say like a tightrope. You're walking on a tightrope. And then you could even add more difficulty by having them close their eyes or maybe even spin around one time before they get off. But here we go. Nice and easy. One foot in front of the other. Keep your eyes looking forward. Try not to fall off now. It's really hard to do this with the camera in front of you because it makes me nervous. Oh my gosh. Okay, I made it. Next up, we're going to do some jumping jacks. So for this one, we were just gone, nah. Go to the floor, and then we re-gone, nah. Do 20 jumping jacks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. Next up, we're going to roll up some socks. And for this one, all you need is just a few pairs of socks. You can even use one sock if you want. We're just going to roll them up into little tubes. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then we're going to toss them across the room, see if we can make it. We're going to try 3. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. That one didn't make it. Let's see if this one can. 2, 1. Oh, that was close. That one's out. Let's see if this one can make it. 3, 2, 1. Woo, that one made it. Now we're going to head over to the next station. This one, we're going to do some mountain climbers. So we're going to get into a plank position. Make sure your back is nice and flat. Don't let your butt stick up in the air. Keep your abs tight, and then we're going to bring our knees up underneath our chest. Try to touch our elbow to our knee. Go as fast as you can. 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Next up, I'm going to throw some paper airplanes. So this one you're going to need a few pieces of paper. I like to fold mine into little planes like this. If you don't know how to do that, I actually have a whole video about folding the perfect paper airplane. So you can check that out after this. We re-gone nah. Go to the other side of the room again, and we re-gone nah. Toss 3. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. That one was good. That one was good. Well, that one didn't make it. Next up, we're going to do some sit-throughs. So for this one, all you need is a chair like this. If you don't have a chair, you can use a couch, you can use your bed, and we're just going to go backwards. We're going to go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Faster, faster, faster. This is an exercise that I used to do when I was a kid growing up. We didn't have any obstacle courses, but we did have furniture. So I would just go around and I would do this. I'd pretend that I was an Olympian. So we're going to do 5 more. 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes.
Last but not least, we're going to do some speed bumps. So for this one, all you need are some books, or maybe even magazines. We're just going to stack them up like this. You could even use a phone book if you wanted to. And then we're going to jump over them as fast as we can. Try to keep your knees from hitting the books. And we're going to go 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was a good one. And that is our mini obstacle course indoors. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And then, if you want to see more videos like this, you can click right here. I promise that you'll have a blast.